This is a baby sea turtle. It's one of the last of the hatchlings. I just happened to stumble upon them a little bit after dawn. A 6th generation Floridian. I've seen hundreds of turtles lay eggs, but this is the first time that I've ever seen a hatching. And the only reason I saw it is because I was slowing down to look at what I think are green sea turtle tracks, first ones I've seen this year. And I found myself all of a sudden in the middle of a bunch of them. And this is one of the last of them. The good news is the birds haven't found them. Oops, yes they have. They're out there feeding right now. Can't blame them, but I sure hate them for it. All right, buddy, you're almost there. Look at him, he knows. What we're looking at is the birds are out there feeding on the baby turtles. You can see them when they come up to the surface. They're working them over. Nah, there's a dolphin out there too. Oh Lordy, I'll bet he gets into it. Oh well. I guess they think that only one out of the whole nest will make it. You can see why. Anyway, thanks for sharing my morning. Have a great